Y'all, we're gonna make some barbecue chicken pizza in our new Ninja Woodfire Oven. Give it that wood fire flavor. Stick around, y'all. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. We're gonna make a barbecue chicken pizza today. We're gonna use our Ninja Woodfire Oven, like I said. Now, how did we come about this chicken? Well, I'll put the video up here. I did a whole chicken in the wood fire oven. Didn't quite work out the way we wanted to. We had some issues with this, so you might want to check out that video when this one's over. But we were able to salvage the chicken after going through some growing pains in the wood fire oven. But anyway, so we got our chicken, we pulled it, and we mixed it up with some barbecue sauce. And that's gonna be our base, kind of our marinara for this pizza. Mrs. CJ, the bitchy baker, and I'll put a link for her channel up here and down there and all that. She went ahead and made me her famous pizza dough. And I'll put a link down below to her video with the pizza dough, and then I'll put instructions on how to make that pizza dough down below. She got it set up for me. We had it in the fridge for a little bit, pulled it out, let it come up to temp, and then we grated some mozzarella cheese. I have some onions, some bell peppers that are gonna go on there with it, and we're just making a beautiful pizza. So Mrs. CJ rolled out that pizza dough for me. If you'll notice in the last video and this video and subsequent videos for a while, your boy had some surgery on his bicep. So she's been my right hand woman on these videos. So that's why you're seeing her pop in and out of these things. So thank you to her for helping me get this. We need to put content out even when we're hurting. So that's what we did. All right, so thumbs up for playing through the pain. All right. So Mrs. CJ got that dough rolled out, got me a nice round dish pizza. Got it on our Ninja peel, which I actually just got sent to me, so we're using it for the first time on this. I already came out here and got this thing warmed up. We turned that dial to the pizza setting. We're using the thin crust option, which is a little less heat, because we want that bottom crusted up real nice. Got that. It's a thin crust pizza anyway, so that's what we're gonna work with. My first wood fire video with doing the pizza, I'll put a link for it up there too. I did it the Neapolitan setting where it's like 700 degrees. Took 25 minutes or so to get up to temperature. So we did a little differently on this one. We brought it down. Since we're doing a thin crust pizza, we did the thin crust setting. So that's warming up right now. We hit the wood fire button, hit start. It's going through the ignition process. You might see a little smoke behind me. All right, we got some smoke rolling. We got the pizza stone in there. It's getting nice and hot. And then we'll go ahead and get the pizza on when it says ready to add the food, and then we'll try it. And the pizza cook will take about 5 minutes, no time at all, all right? And we'll keep checking on it, move it, slice it up, eat it, good to go. Okay, should be a very quick video. This Ninja Woodfire Oven, it is gonna be great for pizza, so we're gonna do a few pizzas with it. But as you guys have seen already, I've done some smoked baby back ribs in there, and link it up there. You'll see a lot of links up there. Catch all the links after you're done watching this video. The ribs turned out spectacular, awesome. Okay, so we got a little smoker oven here and a pizza oven. The roasted chicken, not so much, but it's good stuff. Okay, guys, over talked it quite a bit, but you see where we're at right now. Guys, hope you're enjoying this video so far, getting a little value out of it, getting a little entertainment. All right, watching a one-armed man try to make a pizza, it's good times. All right, guys, hit that subscribe, thumbs up, all that YouTube stuff, comment down below. Stick around and we'll get that pizza in. Come on back. All right, guys, it's saying ready to add food. We got our pizza stone in there. Mrs. CJ is gonna put the pizza in.
As delicately as possible.
There we go. Okay. All right, we're gonna shut it up. Instead of shut it down, I remember this time. It said press start, shut it up. All right, come on back in 5 minutes. All right, y'all, we're halfway through. To pull this out, give it a little twist. Let's give it a little more even cooking. Put it back in, finish it off. All right, guys, let's look at the pizza. Whoa, steamy. Let's look at the pizza in there. Looking good. Thin crust, browning on the edges. Gonna be crispy on the bottom. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Beautiful. Get it on this cutting board over here. All right, let's go ahead and cut into this. It's got that cracker crust, crispy. I'm doing this left-handed, guys, sorry. Beautiful barbecue pizza right there. beautiful barbecue chicken pizza. All right, we got them fresh vegetables ready to be folded and eaten. Let's take a bite. What do you say? All right, y'all, our pizza's done. Let's take a bite. It's hot. Burn my mouth off because I love you. Hot, baby, hot. About to tell this time. Y'all, that was too good. This thing's a pizza machine. The pizza alone, worth the price of admission. It's telling me to add some more pizza to it. Anyway, get this up. Check this out. Links down below if you want to get yourself one of these. It's an affiliate link. Helps out your boy. It doesn't cost you anything more. Anything I use in the videos, knives, merch, all that jazz, the links are all down below. If you want to become a show producer like all these people scrolling across the screen right now, knowing how to salvage a chicken that didn't quite go the way you wanted it to make awesome pizza, right? Hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we are done. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.